guys. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. This is Aisha from Skin Passion. And today, what are we doing? I ordered a few packaging supplies from Amazon. We got it. And I'm here to unbox it. These supplies are to try, what do you call it? Shrink packaging. So we already opened this box. Let's see. Let me get the stuff out. Oh my god. This in there. And we got this. And this. So let's get this out of the way. Put them on here. So which one should we open first? So this is the heat gun. How do I do this the easy way? Seriously. Stop rolling your eyes. I want to, take my time and open it just in case if it doesn't work or there's a problem, we can always return it, right? Oh, what is? Oh, okay, they're different. Okay, I think these are the different nozzles, the way you want the air to blow. This is what came with it. This is the heat gun. There are 3 nozzles, I think. Wow. Whoa. 4. This is what came with it. And this is the heat gun itself. Yeah, not bad. It's really interesting to see what it can do with this. Okay, let's put that aside. Seems like I'm going to be having fun. Wow. So this was just the outer box. Oh no. That's the thing itself. This is huge. I thought I ordered a little one. Okay. Do you like the color? This is Dutchy. So this is my sealing machine. Okay, nice. Let's put this beautiful. I have a whole table. What am I using? Okay. What is it here? These are the shrink wraps. So I got individual wraps, for my soaps. And I've never done shrink wrapping. So it will be my first experience. Hope it goes well. Okay guys, so this is it. So this is the shrink wrap. Shrink wrap, not shrimp. Shrink wrap, they are individuals. So I guess we put the soap in here, and then I believe we do this, we seal it, right? And then we use the heat gun to do the shrink wrapping. It should be very, very interesting. I mean, overall, I think it's a good vibe. And yeah, so I got this off Amazon, and it's a new year. We are planning and hoping to stage a comeback to shoot videos. And there is this young man here who is helping me, and I just hope he continues to help me shoot my videos. So we're trying to stage a comeback in terms of video. We've been making soaps, it's just that we are not shooting videos. Hopefully this time around, this new year, we'll be able to do what we are supposed to do. So once again, thank you. And I just want to remind my followers and all my customers that our Etsy shop is now open. We closed it for about 1.5 years. The reason being trying to find the right payment method because of our location. And but now it's all open, so you can all go in there and check to see what we have. And for my fellow soap makers who would like to buy some soap additives, we have stuff like moringa powder, neem powder, and then the plantain peel and cocoa pod ash. We also have it in there, and we'll be adding just cocoa pod ash, just plantain peel ash, and bamboo activated charcoal powder, so that you can buy it and make some wonderful soaps. I quickly want to say that our products are also being sold now on Afrits Fresh. It's located in the US, and we'll put the link below so that you can visit that site also if you want to buy from there or buy from Etsy. Okay, take care. Bye bye.